So we're back, and now the large motor is wired in with the hall sensors. Turn on the power supply. It still thinks it's set up for the small motor there, and as a result it doesn't really seem to work. If I tell it a bit more quadrature current, 3 amps should be enough to... You see, it's basically... It goes in random directions because it's getting very confused with the hall sensors, because they're basically all wrong. So if we up here say B, it will just sit there and find the hall table. Now I give it the quadrature current again. And it spins nicely and smoothly. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Then if I tell it to have negative quadrature current, it'll start spinning the other way, and positive quadrature current again. This motor needs about 5 or 6 amps to overcome its own reluctant torque. But there we go.